So 2 days ago we went hiking on the Mount Gemi and we lost our drone.
Yes.
So we were
Uncle
hiking
Prince will
the,
carry you.
No, you coming.
Okay.
so we're hiking the mountain Gemi, and I was flying a drone over the cross, and I lost signal and wherever, I don't know where. A little backstory, yeah? That is Derek, that is me, the drone pilot. That is Prince, Faustina, Emily, Fafali, and Kindela. So we decided to hike the Mount Gemi, which is located at Amedzorfe, Avatimeu, the highest human settlement in Ghana, with an altitude of about 2,400 feet above sea level. Isn't that amazing? And this was the idea of this gentleman right here. Yeah. So it was an amazing experience, actually, right from the 1 hour drive, through to the whole hiking and all that. It was an amazing experience. It was beautiful. The view was just amazing. It was just mesmerizing, so we made it to the top of the mountain, all of us, and my, oh my, look at that. This is beautiful. Everybody has to be here. You guys have to be here. You need to see this. This is so amazing, so refreshing. So fast forward, yeah. Right from the get-go, started flying my drone. So I flew the drone right from the beginning of the hike to the end of it, at the top of the mountain. We got there and it gave me a signal that low battery. But as stubborn as I was, I wanted to, finish. I had this one last shot that I wanted to get. So I wanted to get that shot before I brought it back to home, right? And so I was just on it, trying to do this half pan thing. And the only thing I saw was the drone just going down. Then I lost signal. I couldn't control it anymore. The throttles were not, functioning anymore. I tried, pushing it all the way up so that I could bring it back, but nothing was absolutely working. The only thing I could see was the drone just dropping down from where I stood.
Phil, it's a good hike. I mean, blood is flowing. You did it.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, are you tired? A little bit. Yeah, okay. You made it.
I made it to the highest human settlement. Right?
Okay, finally, huh?
Finally.
You got here first.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Nice.
So we took pictures on the mountain. There was this cross there. We took pictures. We all took pictures. We took turns and everything. On our way back, we combed the whole area and we couldn't see the drone. I was down the whole time. My soul wasn't at rest for 2 days. I kept combing the internet. I went on YouTube. I went on Google to find information. And lo and behold, I got something that really helped. Thanks to YouTube, we have the location, because that day we looked all around, we couldn't find it. So now we have the location where I dropped, and we want to go back there and check if we can get it. It was quite easy though. I opened the DJI app and then I went to flight records and I saw all the flight records. I picked the current one, which was the last one, and then voila. It comes in like a video form, so you can play it or scrap through and see. So as you can see, yeah, the home point is indicated H, that little green H, and then the red arrow is where the drone fell. So it was literally going home, but I think it couldn't get to the home point and then it fell down. So I go back and then go to the menu again and hit find my drone, and then it tells you that it's been missing for 2 days. Hits the little compass icon there, and then it brings you the aircraft missing coordinates. So I copy the missing coordinates, I type them in the Google Map search, and wait for the magic.
Glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again.
And that's it. It gives you the location, it gives you direction and everything. So we just had to, follow the direction. 54 minutes drive from Bando to Amedzorfe. And I wanted to try it in Google Earth also. So like I type it into Google Earth, and it gave me a natural feel of where the drone is. You can see the mountain top and all that. That's amazing, right? Technology. Okay, so it's saying, I'm trying with the live view.
You're coming over.
Oh, it is.
Well, you want to wait for us because they're coming.
Somehow. This 3G go work be this. You get 3G or 4G? Which? We started the search, and the map was literally, directing me to where to go, where to pass, and all that. And it was shocking. It was just accurate.
Somewhere. Yeah.
Do you guys come here?
No, this side.
What did you say? Oh, okay. You are coming, okay? Did it rain the last 2 days? Did it rain? No rain. Okay.
Ah! Look at it lying here! Look at it lying here! We found it! We found it!
Back we pass it all.
We found it!
George, like yesterday, last time, you see this rope? You see this wires?
Yeah.
I pass it all.
Woo!
Whoa!
Woo!
Found it.
We found it! We found it! Look at you here, look at you!
I see. Well, I see.
Oh boy, I'm so happy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we found it. So we made it. We made it. YouTube helped us. We made it. We made it. We found the drone. Woo.
Look at this. We found it!
Found it.
Wow, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Wow. Found it. I found it. Woo.
Yeah, the rescue team came back to Amedzorfe,
Yep.
Mountain Gemi,
Yep.
to look for the drone.
Yep.
And we found it.
We found it,
That's
man.
it. Thanks to technology.
Thanks to YouTube.
Technology. Technology.
Woo. So guys, look. With the help of technology, YouTube. I just went on YouTube and I searched how to find my lost drone, and I had to do, I had to put in check the last flight, put in the coordinates into Google Map, and then it brought us all the way here. And the map was super accurate, like super accurate. It was just lying there, and look at it. We
Thanks
found
to
it. Thanks to our tour guide. What's your name? Vincent. Yeah, Vincent helped us. He helped us the other day. He helped us today also. So
Weber.
big thanks to you. Whoever comes to Amedzorfe, Mount Gemi, look for Vincent. He's really a good guy. Yep.
Yay!